Hi friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today we're going to have some fun and make some backgrounds. I was recently in an ATC swap with Craft and Chemie with the Crafty Club, and we made ATCs, and I chose the Be a Mermaid stamp set, but what I had the most fun doing was making this background using a stencil, some Craft and Chemie inks, and then some glitter paste. I don't know if you can see all the sparkle that these have. It was so fun. I loved how it turned out, and I thought it would be fun to recreate that maybe on bigger background, like a full-size card, maybe try some different stamp sets with the same technique. So that's what we're going to do today. And then I also made this one with just some ink smooshing and then that stencil over the top with that glitter paste. And again, it just turned out so pretty. And so since I'm on a roll with making these fun backgrounds, I thought that we would just make a video about it. So stick around and we'll get started. I used the same ink colors that I used on the ATCs just because I thought it was so pretty. When you choose your ink colors, you want to make sure that it's colors that'll go together and not just make like an ugly brown, unless an ugly brown is what you're going for. And then it is just simply easy peasy to lay down some color in different spots. There's really no rhyme or reason. You don't have to have the stencil on the exact same spot, which I love. I like to kind of move it around and turn it at different angles, and then you just add the color till you get it the way that you want it. I use, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 colors. You could do 2 colors, you could do 3 colors, you can do whatever you want. Again, there's really no rhyme or reason. I'm just filling in those spots with the different colors. And I do clean the stencil in between colors really good, because you don't want to really transfer that, although it wouldn't be the end of the world. I also want to say this is the first time I've used my glass mat in a video, and the light glare was annoying me, so I'm sure it's annoying you. I tried to cover it up. I'm not sure what the solution will be with that, but I'll keep working on it. Again, just filling in those spots. Wherever I see white is where I'm kind of filling in now. I liked that, but I thought, I like it to be just a little bit more pink. So I went back in with some more of that Flirty Flamingo pink ink from Craft and Chemie. I used Craft and Chemie inks. You can use whatever inks you want. I just really like how these work for me. I've really gotten in the habit of using those, and I think that they're my go-to inks anymore. So that was how it looked after that. Next, I'm bringing in some Nouveau Glimmer Paste in Moonstone. And this, you do want to keep your stencil in one spot. So then I'm just going over it with that Nouveau Glimmer Paste, making sure I get it in all the little spots on the stencil. Just filling it in there. And I did speed all of this up. It did take me a lot longer. And I did have glitter everywhere, but that's all good. The world needs a little bit more sparkle in it, right? And then the big reveal, which you really can't see there. I will have pictures at the end. My camera was not recording. I did a ink smooshing technique with the background for this. I will, there's another one that I redid so you could see how to ink smush, but really simple. And then I went over this one with the Nouveau Glacier Paste, and let's see, the color is Pineapple Delight. I thought that it was kind of a neat, it's kind of more of a shimmer than a sparkle, and up against those other colors that I had chosen, which were just Stampin' Up! Reinkers, I thought it had a real fall feel to it, and just wanted to show that it doesn't have to be like waves or whatever. You can do whatever, but I like waves because I do a lot of mermaid cards. So here I'm just showing that ink smooshing again. I use a laminated, just a laminated sheet of paper, just because I'm a neat freak and that works for me. And then I spritz it either with water or rubbing alcohol. This time I used rubbing alcohol because it dries faster. And then just getting all those little bits up. And then I take it off camera and I hit it with my heat gun for a little bit so that it would dry. And then on this one, I'm using the Moon Dust Stickles Glitter Gel, which I think is one of my favorite glitter gels. It really goes on nice, and I like the sparkle that it gives. And then just filling it in, I move that stencil down because I wanted that same design. So you'll see me move it down 3 different times. And this one, I have to say, turned out so, so pretty. And there is the finished product. And I will be back soon to share the dried products. All right, I am back. They have had time to dry. And here are the fun backgrounds that I made today. And there's that one. And you see that glimmer and sparkle on there. So, so pretty. It's definitely one that's a lot prettier in person, but it's just really neat. And then that one, just very shimmery. It's kind of sparkly, very shimmery, very fall-like. Just the way that it catches the light, it's just so pretty. And then this one with those waves. I'll probably cut it down a little bit so that some of that white's not there, but you see, just is so pretty. And then off camera, I did this one with a, I think it's Honeycomb Drips stencil from Whimsy Stamps. Just put some different colors of yellow ink down and then went over it. I can't remember which one I used. I think the Nuvo Shimmer Paste. But it's just so sparkly and so pretty. So those turned out great. I will be finishing up a few other projects and then I will get them made into cards to show. But there are my fun, shimmery, sparkly backgrounds for today using stencils. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day and do something crafty.